Humans have always tried to control nature. We build dams to manage water, cut down forests for farmland, and introduce new species to control pests. However, these actions often have unintended consequences. Sometimes our attempts to fix one problem create even bigger ones. This is especially true when it comes to invasive species. Invasive species are plants or animals that are not native to an area and cause harm when introduced. They can outcompete native species for food and resources, disrupt ecosystems, and even spread diseases. One striking example of this can be found on the Japanese island of Amami Ōshima, where the introduction of mongooses to control venomous snakes backfired dramatically. This story serves as a cautionary tale about the importance of understanding the complexities of ecosystems before intervening. It highlights the need for careful planning and consideration of potential consequences when dealing with nature's delicate balance. The introduction of the mongoose to Amami Ōshima, while seemingly a solution to a venomous snake problem, quickly spiraled into an ecological crisis with long-lasting repercussions. Amami Ōshima is a subtropical island in southern Japan, known for its beautiful beaches and lush forests. However, the island is also home to the venomous habu snake. Habu snakes are pit vipers with a powerful venom. They are a significant concern for the island's residents, as their bites can be deadly. The habu snake thrived in the island's sugarcane fields, which provided ideal hunting grounds for rodents, their primary prey. As the human population grew and more land was cultivated, encounters between humans and habu snakes became increasingly frequent, leading to a growing number of snake bites. This situation sparked fear and concern among the islanders, who desperately sought a solution to the venomous snake problem. Little did they know the solution they chose would unleash a different kind of ecological havoc. In the 1970s, people thought they had found a solution to the habu snake problem: mongooses. Mongooses are small, weasel-like mammals known for their ability to kill snakes. People believed that introducing mongooses to the island would control the habu snake population and make the island safer for humans. This seemingly simple solution was based on the mongoose's reputation as a fierce snake hunter, particularly in its native India, where it was known to prey on venomous cobras. Acting on this belief, authorities introduced mongooses to Amami Ōshima in 1979, hoping to eradicate the venomous habu snake and restore peace of mind to the island's inhabitants. However, this intervention, based on a flawed understanding of the island's ecosystem, would soon prove to be a grave mistake with far-reaching consequences. Unfortunately, the plan backfired. While mongooses do eat snakes, they are not specialized snake eaters. They are opportunistic feeders and will eat a wide variety of prey, including birds, eggs, insects, and small mammals. On Amami Ōshima, the mongooses found it easier to catch these other animals than the habu snakes. The mongooses, instead of targeting the venomous snakes as intended, wreaked havoc on the island's native fauna. Native birds, particularly ground-nesting species, suffered devastating losses as mongooses raided their nests and decimated their populations. Small mammals like the Amami rabbit, already endangered and endemic to the island, faced further decline due to relentless predation by the mongooses. The mongooses' impact extended beyond direct predation, as they also competed with native species for food and resources, disrupting the island's delicate ecological balance. Eradication efforts, a difficult and costly battle. The introduction of mongooses to Amami Ōshima had disastrous consequences for the island's ecosystem. The mongoose, instead of controlling the habu snake population, had become a menace itself, decimating populations of native and endangered species. Realizing the gravity of the situation, authorities launched eradication programs to remove the mongooses. However, removing mongooses from an island is a difficult and expensive task. The dense forests and elusive nature of mongooses made trapping efforts challenging. Moreover, the mongooses reproduced quickly, further complicating eradication efforts. Despite these challenges, authorities persisted in their attempts to mitigate the damage caused by the invasive mongooses. Lessons learned: the importance of ecological balance. The story of the mongooses on Amami Ōshima is a stark reminder that tampering with ecosystems can have unintended and disastrous consequences. It highlights the interconnectedness of species within an ecosystem and the importance of careful consideration before introducing a new species, even with the intention of solving a problem. The introduction of the mongoose, intended to control the venomous habu snake, backfired dramatically. Instead of solving one problem, it created a cascade of new ones, pushing several native species towards the brink of extinction. This ecological disaster served as a harsh lesson for the authorities and highlighted the importance of understanding the complexities of ecological balance. A global problem: invasive species around the world. The problem of invasive species is not unique to Amami Ōshima. Around the world, human actions have introduced species to new environments, often with devastating consequences. The introduction of rabbits to Australia, the Burmese python to the Florida Everglades, and the zebra mussel to the Great Lakes are just a few examples of invasive species wreaking havoc on ecosystems. These examples underscore the global scale of the invasive species problem. They highlight the interconnectedness of ecosystems worldwide and the potential for human actions to disrupt this delicate balance. The fight against invasive species requires international cooperation, robust biosecurity measures, and a commitment to protecting the biodiversity of our planet. A call for caution: respecting the complexity of nature. The story of the mongooses on Amami Ōshima serves as a cautionary tale about the importance of understanding the complexities of nature before intervening in its delicate balance. It emphasizes the need for comprehensive research, careful planning, and consideration of potential consequences before introducing a new species to an environment. Rather than attempting to control nature, we should strive to coexist with it. Understanding the interconnectedness of ecosystems and respecting the role of each species is crucial for maintaining a healthy planet. The story of the mongooses on Amami Ōshima serves as a stark reminder that even with good intentions, our actions can have unforeseen and devastating consequences on the natural world. We must learn from our mistakes and adopt a more cautious and respectful approach when interacting with nature.